Not a problem now. Yeah. Back is no better. Can't really see anything. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. We got the Duramax here, getting a little bit of a treatment on the lightning side of things because it is dark. First off, I wanted to get Switchbacks, so I got the V-LED V6 Tritons. I'm looking really forward to trying those. I've never dropped that kind of coin for an LED before. And I made an order to V-LEDs to get some other bulbs and dome bulbs. And of course I got the all lights on from Fleece. We're gonna get that on so we can get all these lights lit up. So let's get it started. This is sitting in the truck. That's how tired those bulbs are. I don't know if you can see me or not. So we're gonna go ahead and turn those off because they are gonna be scorching hot. So we'll rely on my snap-on light here. So I got these V-LED light bulbs. They are 5500 Kelvin 194s, and they look like this. They're like a double tower. So I'm gonna put those in the maps, and the rear will contain a longer type, like a 42mm Festoon type. It's a 211, also 5500 Kelvin. Let's go with it. First order of business, there is a little slot right there that we will stick a screwdriver in, and there's two little backings that just hold it up in there. Literally so simple and easy. Already popped it loose. And the little chrome shell fell out too. Huh, yank the bulb. Hopefully she's not scorching hot because the domes are on. We're gonna do the same to there. Now since these bulbs are a lot larger than a factory bulb, we're going to insert the bulb like that. It's gonna stick out a bit. It's gonna barely level off. And we're gonna hope we get the polarity correct. And I'm going to install it. Test the bulb. Hey, there we go. Then simply just need to put the cap back on. Remember those two little edges right there? Snapped into place. Dome on. Wow, it's much brighter already. All right, moment of truth. Opening the door. Oh yeah, look at that. Well, now you can really see in here. That ain't putting out nothing back there. Look at that. I'd say those are a major improvement. Wow. Not so much in the footwell, but what do you expect? But in here, wow. Definitely a good choice. Now the rear dome, there's a slot right here. You pick it and it should swing out. Oh my. Oh yeah, it definitely did. And as far as these little button map lights, it looks like they are also the same. So if I want to change those over, I will need to make another order. But yeah, we're not going to do that right now. We're just going to get the job done. Make sure it's not going to burn me, because they are a mother. Now this is the also, like I mentioned, a 2011 bulb, 5500 Kelvin. Pop on in here. See how you like your new home. All right, looking good. Gotta kind of like flex this at an angle and it'll click into place. All right, I can see much better in here. I do have bulbs for the doors, but I may be utilizing them elsewhere. But otherwise, look at that. Heck yeah. And it's like a crisp white. No blue, no bad hot spotting. Very good look. Perfect. Now we're gonna get on with the 4-high mod. They give you instructions. There's a little card. You just go on their website and you'll see what you gotta do. But pretty much you gotta pull the highs, lows, DRLs, and blinker or fog lamps, fuse panel switches, excuse me, relays, and you can get it to work. Without that, that's what happened. Yes, I got a fog lamp out. Under the hood, off with you, and actually we need you. We gotta pull the high, low. So right here's the high. Oh yeah, she's in there. Fog lamp, bottom left, and low. And the DRL is right after it. Then as per the instructions on the website, they show you how it goes in. Simple enough. And literally, it just sits in there. Reinstall your relays. Bam. You never know what's in there. And now when we go to turn the fog lamps on. Now when we turn the highs on, everything. And that is why we like that mod. Now, we're going to go for the switchback. Pull a rod out. Because these trucks are stupid, simple, easy, which I like. Pull your headlamp out. Set it up here. If I could, like, direct and work at the same time. Then we're going to change the signals. And I'm probably going to stick those little 315... Excuse me. I'm probably going to stick those little 194 tiny bulbs I got. I initially got these for the door panel, but if these end up fitting, I will slab them right into those little markers. Alright, once you open your V6 Triton setup, you have the little adapter, so this goes into your socket, and this screws into the LED itself, kind of like an HID. And there's this rubber gasket. And to my understanding, well, just the bulb itself, to my understanding, this is so that it will dim when your running lights are on, or your headlamps are on. I'm not sure I'll mess with that just yet, but I don't know, we'll see. So there is a guiding slot, just match it up. Screw them together. And that basically is where the connection all comes from. So you will get your gasket fitted on like so. And then with the kit, somewhere I have it scattered, right here is where you will end up putting in your screws so that it will screw into your housing. All right, so we have one installed. There's the results. I have amber over here, and when I put the 194 white in there, it did not look good at all, and it really stood out bad. So we're not gonna do that. I might even pull the bulb out, but I don't know. But compared, that is an LED, a 3157. Compared to that, oh yeah, that looks really, really nice. Stage this up here, and get a view of it in action. I dig it. Looks pretty good. Kind of like new Super Duties that have the all 4 lights on. Hey, first try. I like it. I like it a lot. And it flashes as well, so we're good. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. All right, installed. I'm liking how it's looking, everybody. And of course, function. Well, alright, I will call that install a success, everybody. So, V-LED Switchback, 6,000 kelvins. I already have the Novita LM487 Flasher unit installed on the truck, so I did not need to put any load resistors in the wiring itself. So that eliminates any hyper flash, because I already have LEDs throughout the rest of the truck. What I'm planning on doing next, I would like to do a DRL switchback, because these suckers are putting out output. Look at this. It's putting out output. And If I change my headlamp fixtures in the future, I'm gonna get rid of these amber setups so I can run a clear white bulb in there as well, because right now it just kind of looks a little bit goofy. You only see a little bit of amber sticking out of there, but you know, but from that on, it's all whitened out. Now we installed the Fleece Performance 4 high mod, or 6 high mod I should say, all lights on mod, whatever it's called. It's gonna be a complete whiteout. So eventually I'll do something with these fog lamps, get them out of here, get an LED bar probably on there. Also would like to get maybe a 30 behind the grill. I don't know, we'll see what comes with time. Either way though, we got LEDs on the interior now, we got switchbacks, we got all 6 lights, 6 high mod, good to go. That'll conclude this video everybody, take care and have a good one.